everyone, and today for my very first video on YouTube, I'm going to be showing you how I like to do my everyday eyebrow routine. So if you want to just find out how I do them, then keep watching and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. So first, I'll be taking my NYX brow pencil in the color black, and with one end, I'll be brushing out my brows just to make sure all the hairs are in place in the position that they grow in. And now I'll be filling in my eyebrows very lightly in hair-like strokes because we don't want our eyebrows to look too harsh. And while filling in my eyebrows, I'll be starting from the ends and moving into the beginning of my eyebrows because I believe that it makes for a more natural transition and a natural look. Now I'll be brushing out my eyebrows just to make sure that the product is evenly distributed throughout my eyebrows. And now I'll be filling in any gaps that I may see. And now I'll be taking my Urban Studio concealer brush and my LA Pro concealer in the color Fawn, and with this concealer I'll be lining the bottoms of my eyebrows as well as the tops of my eyebrow tails, just to make sure that these areas are as clean and sharp as I can get them. And momentarily you'll see that I did mess up on one eyebrow. I made the tail a little too thin. However, I go back and I fix it. And as you can see right here, this tail is a little too thin because I put the concealer a little too low over my eyebrow. But don't worry, I'm gonna fix that up. Now with my concealer brush, as you can see, I'm concealing not only the ends but the beginnings just to make sure that my eyebrow is seamlessly blended and not only blended in one spot or one area. And now I'm just filling in any gaps and carving out a more defined arch. And now I'm blending out the color just to make sure that if I did put any harsh lines, they're blended out and they're not so noticeable. Now I'm just taking my fingertips and blending out the concealer so that you can't really tell where the concealer stops and where my skin starts because we want it to blend into our skin. Now here's my LA Pro concealer in the color Medium Bisque, and this is a lighter concealer than the one that I used before, and I mainly focus this concealer on the arches of my eyebrows just to make sure that they are lightened and they attract a little more light, because I think it's a little bit more aesthetically pleasing, and also it's too light to apply over the whole area around my brow, so I just use it in this area just to make it a little bit more lighter and bring more light to it. Now I'm just taking my concealer brush and I'm sharpening out the ends of my eyebrows just to make a little point where the ends are. Now I'm going to be taking my Real Techniques brush, and it's actually a base shadow brush. However, I won't be using it on my eyelids, just on the area around my eyebrows, and I'll be taking my True Match Super Blendable Powder in the color Classic Tan and using this to set the concealer that I put on to make sure that it blends to my skin as much as possible. And once you lay it down and blend it around your eyebrows, you will have simple but beautiful eyebrows. Thank you all for watching.